Okay, so you've just cleaned out your paint roller sleeve and it's all nice and clean. Still a bit wet, so you wring the water out like this. The trouble is then if you just go and store it like that, by putting it down on the table in the garage or something, it'll dry with a flat arc along there. So when you go to use it on the walls, it's going to leave little stripes all the way up and down the wall. So the best thing to do is when you've washed all the water out you can, is to get your roller frame, pop it so it's just on to the frame like that, get a bucket, lower it down inside it and give it a little spin with your hand. All done in minutes. As you can see, it's fluffed up that sleeve nicely, so when it's dry it'll all be ready for use next time. So what I normally do is take it off and store them stood up so you don't get any flat edges on them, to keep your roller sleeves nice and clean. There we go.